Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. English with little angel reader. Level 1, Lesson 15. Let's read. I see 2 elephants. They have 2 pink balloons. One elephant is big and one elephant is small. I see 2 elephants. They have 2 pink balloons. One elephant is big and one elephant is small. Find 2 elephants with pink balloons. I see 2 elephants with pink balloons. 1. I see A. 1 elephant, B. 2 elephants, C. 3 elephants. I see 2 elephants. 2. What color are the balloons? Red, yellow, pink. The balloons are pink. 3. How many balloons do they have? 2, 3, 4. They have 2 balloons. Good job! Well done! Read with Max. Read with Max. Hello, Max. Are you ready to read Brown Bear, what do you see?
Yeah, book 1.
Okay, book 1. Read the first page.
Brown bear, what do you see?
Here's a brown bear.
I see a red bird looking at me.
Red bird.
Red bird, what do you see? I see a
Yeah, what color is
yellow
it? Yellow.
duck looking at me.
Yellow.
Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me.
Blue horse.
Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me.
There's a green frog. I see a green frog. All right. Here's a green frog.
Green frog, what do you see? I'm fast.
You are fast, yeah.
I see a person.
Try again. What's the color? Look at the letters. Purple.
Cat looking at me.
What color?
Purple.
Purple. Where's the word purple?
Purple.
Show me purple. Purple. See, here's the purple cat. Meow.
Purple cat, what do you see? I see a
white
dog looking at me.
Where's the word white?
White.
White dog.
White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me.
Where's the word black? Where's black?
Black.
Black sheep.
Black sheep. Black sheep. What do you see? I see a goldfish
Fish.
looking at me.
Here's a goldfish.
Goldfish. Oh, goldfish. Goldfish. What do you see? I see a teacher looking at me.
Teacher. Here's a teacher. Hello, teacher.
Teacher. Teacher. What do you see? I see children looking at me.
Looking.
Looking at me.
Children. Boys and girls.
Children. Children. Oh, I
Yeah.
can do it.
Try and do it again.
Children. Children. What do you see?
Children, children. Okay.
We see a brown bear, a bird, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and teacher.
And a teacher.
Looking at me.
Me or
Us.
us?
That's what we see.
Okay, well done, Max. Perfect. And this is
The end.
the end. Good job. Well done. Hello, I am your English teacher. I am your English teacher. My name is Anna. I have 2 children, Angelina and Max. I have 2 children, Angelina and Max. They speak English. They speak English. We live in Russia. We live in Russia. English with Little Angel Reader. Level 1, Lesson 15. If you like my lessons, you can thank me here. PayPal, littleangelreader@gmail.com. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with Angel Reader, have some fun with Angel Reader. Little Angel Reader.